Women's Month is about to end. Tara, samahan niyo ako para kilalanin at tanungin ang ating mga TUPians tungkol sa kanilang experiences this Women's Month. I am your strong, independent Kikay Girly Tech Ari, and welcome to another episode where we ask TUPians anything under the sun. Artisan asks.
Hello, mabuhay. My name is Patch and I am from AFT.
My name is Luis Velasco. I'm from BTAFT 28.
Hi, I am Yuri M. Acuña, BTAF 228.
Hello, I am Grayson Q. Digama and same course and section.
I'm Nico Iwenda, Power Plant Engineering.
I'm Emmanuel Silagaas, Power Plant Engineering, 3rd year.
Hello everyone, my name is Raven Maui Arsaboy from BSEE 4F.
Yes, good afternoon or good evening to all. I'm Architect Elpidio Balais Jr., the current Dean of the College of Architecture and Fine Arts.
I believe it is my mom because she have taught me to be kind and be open-minded because people experience or they have challenges they faces every day. So you have to be kind and send positive energy towards them.
My girlfriend, Clarice. Binibigyan ako ng dahilan para gumising sa araw-araw.
My mother po, kasi hardworking po siya.
Yung nag-admire po sa akin for this Women's Month is yung mama ko po kasi ever since po nung bata po kami, single mom po kasi siya hanggang sa kuya ko po. And pagka kinukwento niya po yung mga story niya about po sa past niya po is nasasaktan din po ako. And kahit po na ganun, nabibigay niya pa rin po yung pangangailangan namin hanggang sa ngayon.
So yung ina-admire ko din po is yung mother ko kasi ever since nung pagkabata ko, siya yung nandyan talaga para mag-support sa akin sa pagpasok ng school, sa pagising sa umaga.
Same sa sagot nila, mother ko rin po yung nag-inspire sa akin and ina-admire ko. And gusto ko lang po sabihin sa lahat po na dapat hanggat nandito pa po yung mother natin ay gawin natin yung mga magpapafeel sa kanila na mahal natin sila kasi pag nawala na sila, baka pagsisihan natin na hindi natin nagawa yon.
This Women's Month, ang ina-admire ko, number 1, si Lenny Robredo. And kasi sa story niya, sobra ako na-inspire the way na kung paano siya tumulong sa kapwa-tao, sa the way na kung paano siya firm sa mga sinasabi niya. Natural, may gawa na siya, may ginagawa pa siya kahit wala siya sa position ngayon.
Actually, most of the women in our university, like for example, in the administrative sector, there are lots of women who really empower the positions that they have. So they really contribute in the progress of the university. And also, of course, the women of our college, especially the architecture students of the architecture department. Women now, especially architecture students, are now in the field of design. Their creativity is now being recognized as a designer also.
When the time that the UP are open for LGBT people, they allow us to be ourselves. Right now, I am so happy that we are able to show who we are, and I think that makes me so happy right now.
Actually po, I am an SK chairwoman in our barangay. So I think that is one of women empowerment. I am a gender equality advocate. So, hindi tayo dapat nagpapa-apekto na kung ano yung kasarian natin ay huwag tayo magpa-apekto sa sasabihin ng iba. Just like me, I am a transgender woman and SK chairwoman. Thank you.
Yung ginagawa namin sa course namin, yung apparel and fashion technology. So, yung sa course namin is maraming part ng LGBTQ. Especially yung mga transgender. Ina-uplift po namin sila na transgender is woman. Transgender woman is woman. And also, yung empowerment is yung in-empower namin sila na huwag silang tumingin o makinig sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Gawin lang nila yung ginagawa nila. Kahit tulad nung ngayon, si Tangerine po, sinusuportahan po namin yung friend namin na transgender woman.
As a male and I support women empowerment. Siguro ang ibibigay ko na lang na example is my mom. She's a hardworking person. Lahat ginagawa niya para sa aming magkakapatid as a wife na din sa sa daddy ko. And 24 hours siya kasi siya ay sa medical field nagtatrabaho. 24 hours siya nagtatrabaho. Usually ang pahinga lang niya is 2 hours, 3 hours, babalik na ulit sa ospital. Lalo na nung pandemic days na super isolated sa ospital na hindi sila makauwi. And I think my mom is a one example na women empowerment.
I don't know much about it, but I do think it is not. But I do think that drag is a celebration of talent. It is showing who you are and being confident about who you are. And it's also for entertainment as well. Thank you.
Do you think drag is political? Gusto po namin sabihin na no. At we both think that pinapakita lang nila yung kung sino talaga sila at kung ano yung tunay nilang nararamdaman.
And na-express nila kung talagang ano yung pagkakilala nila bilang tao.
Yes, I believe po na drag is political kasi in this time po na-express ng mga drag queen ang kanilang mga gusto nilang ipahayag. Just like politics po, di ba? Dapat nag-i-inspire tayo ng mga tao at yung voice natin yung nagmamatter. Thank you.
Do you think drag is political? Yes po. And yun yung art na magandang way para i-express yung political views mo sa mga tao. Yun po. That's why I think drag is political.
Yes po, drag is political kasi doon po nila mas na-express yung sarili nila and nagiging motivation po, inspiration po sila.
Drag is a political kasi hindi lang naman sila nagda-drag for entertainment. Hindi lang sila nagpapatawa kasi they're doing it for a cause. They're doing it kasi may ina-advocate sila. They're doing it kasi may gusto silang iboses sa tao.
Totoo namang nakaka-inspire ang kani-kanilang kwento ng ating mga ka-TUPians dito inside our university. As the Women's Month is about to end, we will continue to honor women for their tireless contribution to society and indomitable spirit to conquer any challenges despite the ongoing gender inequality. This is Leg Ari for Artisan Ass.
Abante girlies. Forward girlies. March forward girlies.